Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to figure out which Shopify pricing plan is best for you, whether you're just starting out or already running a business, this video will break down everything you need to know. Also, if you haven't signed up for Shopify just yet, you can use my link down below to sign up for just $1 for your first 3 months. Let's get into it. So, Shopify offers multiple pricing plans depending on your business needs and budget. Here's a quick overview. The basic plan starts at $29 per month. That is ideal for new online stores. It includes a full website, 24/7 support, abandoned cart recovery, and basic reports. Also, the card rates starts at 2.9% plus 30 cents USD online, 2.6% plus 10 cents USD in person, and 2% and third-party payment providers. Also, the standout features in this plan includes up to 77% shipping discount, 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling, 3 markets, and POS Lite. Now, we get the Shopify Grow plan. So, this plan is ideal for new online stores. It includes a full website, 24/7 support, abandoned cart recovery, and basic reports. So, you get this at $79 per month, and the card rates starts at 2.7% plus 30 cents USD online, that is 0.2% less than the basic plan, and you also get the card rates starting at 2.5% plus 10 cents USD in person, 1% third-party payment providers. Also, the standout features include up to 88% shipping discounts and insurance, 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling, and it also includes 5 additional staff accounts. That is the extra standout feature in this plan. You also get the POS Lite. Now, coming down to the advanced section, you get this at $299 per month. The card rates start at 2.5% plus 30 cents USD online, 2.4% plus 10 cents USD in person, 0.6% third-party payment providers. Now, the standout features include up to 88% shipping discounts, insurance, third-party calculated rates. You get 10 inventory location, enhanced 24/7 chat support. That is another standout feature that you don't get in these plans. Also, you get the localized global selling 3 markets plus ad markets for $59 per month each. You will get 15 additional staff accounts and POS Lite. So, this plan is built for scaling businesses. You get advanced reports, third-party shipping rates, and lower credit card fee. Now, Shopify Plus comes at $2,300 per month. And it is an enterprise level solution for high volume businesses. It's customizable and includes priority support, automation tools, and integration. Note that all plan comes with a 3-day free trial, and with the current deal, you get first 3 months for just $1 on basic, Shopify, Grow, and Advanced. Now, in the Plus, that is for complex businesses, these are the standout features. All of these are nearly same, but you get 200 inventory location, you get 50 markets for localized global selling, and unlimited staff accounts. Also, you will get fully customizable high volume checkout with up to 200 POS Pro locations, and you can sell wholesale, that is business to business too. Now, let's break down the features that you get with each plan. So, the basic is full online store with customizable themes, unlimited products, abandoned cart recovery, 2 staff accounts, basic analytics, and Shopify payments plus a standard credit card fee. The Shopify Grow comes at $79 per month. That has everything in basic, 5 staff accounts, professional reports, lower credit card and transaction fee, more control over customer data, and sales metrics. Now, the advanced comes at $299 per month, through which you will get 15 staff accounts, advanced report builder, third-party calculated shipping rates, lowest Shopify transaction fee, and that will be ideal for scaling stores and big teams. Now comes the Shopify Plus, that is at $2,300 per month for now on a 3-year term. It includes all the things that comes with Advanced, and it includes another features like dedicated account manager, custom checkouts, access to Shopify flow automation, that is built for enterprise level operations. Now, hidden costs you should know. So Shopify's listed pricing doesn't always reflect the full cost of running a store. Let's talk about what else you may need the budget for. So, if you're not using Shopify payments, you will get an extra transaction fee. For basic, it's 2%, for Grow, it's 1%, and for advanced, it's 0.5%. Also, some apps are free, but others charge monthly fee. Now, free themes are great for beginners, but premium themes cost around $180 for a one-time fee. You can buy a domain through Shopify or use an existing one that will cost you more, and you can use Shopify emails that is free up to 10,000 emails per month then cost extra. So always review your monthly invoice inside your Shopify's billing section to stay on top of your true cost. Now, if you're new and just want to test the waters, start with the basic plan. That is at $29 per month for beginners with a full website and essential features. If you're starting to scale and want advanced reporting and lower fee, upgrade to Shopify Grow plan. That is at $79 per month, and you will save money in the long run as your order volume grows. If you're running a full operation or need third-party shipping tools, Advanced plan is your go-to. And if you are an enterprise, B2B or processing massive orders monthly, look into Shopify Plus. But it's not necessary for most small businesses. And that's your complete Shopify pricing guide for 2025. Hopefully, you know which plan best suits your needs, whether you're just starting out or scaling fast. Remember, the basic plan is perfect for most new store owners, and you can always upgrade later. Also, if you haven't signed up yet, just use my link in the description below to get Shopify for just $1 per month for the first 3 months. It's perfect time to start. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of a store you are building. And I will see you in the next video.